What's up, guys? Myles here. I'm with the Thirsty Bartenders, and we're gonna be making not one, but two delicious tiki cocktails. This drink was inspired by my daughter. London Daddy loves you. We're gonna turn two characters from Moana into two delicious tiki drinks. We're gonna be doing one called Te Fiti and the other one called Teka. One's gonna be super floral and aromatic, and then the other one's gonna have some heat with a little bit of sweet. All right, so we're gonna start with the Teka cocktail. Like I said, it's gonna be a little sweet, it's gonna be a little spicy. We're using some fresh pineapple and some chilies, so it's really gonna bring the heat. And then I'm gonna add some coconut cream to it to kind of smooth everything out. So let's get into it. We're gonna take just a couple of cubes of this pineapple here, and we're gonna muddle it. And then we're gonna add like half of a chili pepper. These peppers are super aggressive. If you don't like heat, use half of the half. If you like a lot of heat in your cocktails, then go ahead and put the whole thing. You make cocktails with how they fit and match your taste buds and your flavor profile. And we'll muddle that in there. Ooh, you can smell it. Just opens some nostrils right up. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our wet ingredients. We're gonna be using Bacardi Dragonberry, fruity blend of dragon fruit, strawberry, and then we're doing the classic Bacardi Limon. Another 1 ounce, see the trend here, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, of coconut cream, 1 ounce fresh lime juice, and then 1 ounce of pineapple juice just to give it some extra body and flavor to it. Give this bad boy a shake. Right there. Pop this bad boy off. And then we're gonna strain it right in there. Beautiful. And then we're just gonna top it off with a little more crushed ice because we want to have that kind of mound over the top. And then just garnish. Half a chili pepper and a pineapple cube. Ooh! Heat! With a little bit of sweet. The Teka. The second tiki cocktail is going to be called Te Fiti. It's a little floral, a little sweet. We're going to be using some fresh mint for the aromatics. So let's get into it. First, we're going to muddle a handful of mint. Throw it in the glass and muddle this. But don't mash it up to where it's shredded mint and you're gonna choke on it when you drink. Handle her with care. Enough to open her, pause. Enough to open up the flavor and the aromatics. Now, Bacardi Dark, the awesome thing about this is gonna have some flavors of orange peel, oaky, molasses. They actually age it from 1 to 3 years in charred oak barrels. So you're gonna get that super duper robust, very boozy flavor right on the palate. These kind of flavors also pair nicely with fruity cocktails. It doesn't get lost in everything that you got going on. We're gonna add 1 ounce of pineapple juice, just for some sweet and some citrus notes. And also 1 ounce of some freshly squeezed lime juice. And then we're gonna break our syrups in half. Half an ounce of our ginger syrup, and then half an ounce of orgeat. Orgeat is the tiki cocktail's best friend. And give her a nice little razzle dazzle bartender shake with a smile, of course. Pop that bad boy off, and then we're gonna strain. Bow! Right over the top. Perfect. Boom. And then we're gonna garnish this. We're gonna smack our mint, kind of open it up, give our glass a little brush so that every time you pick it up, no matter what part of the glass you grab, you're gonna get the mint aromatics in your nose. And then we're gonna put that right on the side. Perfect. And then we're gonna add our candied ginger. And of course, a good old-fashioned lime wheel. Bow. Sweet. You taste the ginger and the mint immediately. It's amazing. You guys gotta try one of these. Not mine though. Two awesome tiki cocktails What else can I say except you're welcome? Saw what I did there? Don't forget to follow me, guys, at Standish Cocktails. Thank you to the girls at Thirsty Bartenders for letting me invade their space. Only thing left now to do is sip these bad boys, but I'm gonna drink them at the same time though, because I'm kind of thirsty. Yas.
Oh, nailed it.
Yas, queen.